Hi guys, I'm here again. As usual, I just had a shower again because I got home and I received a package from Yes Style where I ordered my BTS Map of the Soul 7 Journey albums. So what happened was, the reason why I bought it from Yes Style was because these were only available from Weverse Global, but they weren't shipping it elsewhere. They were only shipping it in Korea and I believe Japan. So that's the reason why I panicked, because it was not showing in the BTS USA. So I decided to buy it elsewhere, which is why I bought it from Yes Style. Yes Asia. Sorry. Yes Asia. But yes, so here it is. I'm gonna open it now. So since I ordered an X amount of dollars, they gave me this. Oh, they gave me this free item, which is super cute. It's called Japan Mini Idolish. Idolish? Okay, yeah. I hope I have my scissor here because... Okay, yes it is. I thought I don't have it again. Ta-da! It's so cute. Yep. So that's that. That's the free item. So let's start with... I know the albums are type A, B, C, and D. So let's try to do it by the letters. If I even know. Okay, that's C. Oh, goodness. Huh? Type A. Oh, gosh. So this is type A. I am lost. Type A. Wait. We'll just open it. Or I can do a cheat code and check my phone. Okay. Okay. So this is the type A. Let me open it now. So nice. Done. Ooh, there's a sticker. Isn't that nice? This is the, oh, I didn't know I got the Blu-ray, but okay. This is the Blu-ray, and this is, I'm guessing this is the CD. Yep, CD and Blu-ray. Here's the booklet. I don't know if there's any pictures though. You know how Japan albums usually don't have pictures. Well, not much, I meant. But there is! Oh. JK. V. Jimin. Oh. So the way to open this booklet, it seems like, is like when you're reading manga, Japanese mangas, where it goes from right to left. Right to left, yes. I got confused for a second. And that's that. That's the type A version. Let's open the type B. Again, I need my cheat code. Type B. Okay, I got it. Ta-da! Looks like this. Well, let me show you this one too. Cute! Color is so cute. And the back, I'm going to show you the back. Ta-da! That's the back. Okay. And of course, it came with a sticker. And here you go. This is a DVD and this is the CD this time. Booklet. Let me start with RM this time. RM. Wait. What happened to Jin? It's Suga next. And then Jin. J-Hope. Jimin. Taeyong. And JK. Cute. I wish there were more pictures though. Okay, next. Type C version. Oh, it's the black one. It's this one. Ta-da! And ta-da! Amazing. Oh, this is just I think it's just a CD because there's only one, so I'm guessing it's just a CD. Let's take a look. Oh yes, it's just a CD. Okay, and let's take a look in here. No sticker, unless I missed it. None. So let's take a look at the inside. It's JK. Another JK. V. I really like their song, Stay Gold, and Your Eyes Tell. And it's actually something that I could sing because it's in Japanese. I feel like Japanese is easier for me to learn or at least sing than Korean. I have a hard time singing in Korean. I don't think I'm even able to sing it at all. I only sing the English part. I'm so bad. Gorgeous. My favorite hairstyle. I wonder though why they keep putting Suga after RM. This is the second time, it seems like. I don't remember the first one. But this is the second time that it's Suga instead of Jin next to RM. So the last one, type D. The back looks like this, so cute. And the front looks like this. And whoa, beautiful. And the back looks like this. And again, it's just a CD. So beautiful. And there's no sticker this time. Oh, there is actually a lot of pictures on this one too. Wow. So, start here. All of them. JK. Spray paint. V. Handsome. The Soulmates. J-Hope. See, J-Hope is next to gin again instead of sugar. I don't know why it's like that, but they're not in order. I guess I'm just so used to them being in order all the time, so it's kind of different to me seeing them not being in order. J-Hope! See? It's gin again. What is happening? It could just be me. And that's that. So that's all of it. I think the albums are so beautiful. I like both of it. One is, you know, playful, and the other one is serious. I like both of them, you know. But yeah, I hope you like this video. If you do, please don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to our channel. Yes, so stay safe everyone. Take care and have a good night. Bye!